Hey everybody, it's Pamela. How y'all doing today? I hope everybody's having a great day. I know I am. And I just wanted to come on and tell everybody, if you like my intro to my videos and my outros to my videos, that I actually made those. I have a program with 100 different intros and outros. So if you'd like to have one made, I will leave my information in the description. You can get in touch with me and we'll get that set up for you. So thanks to everybody, and I hope y'all like this video. And if you do, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and you'll be notified when I put out another video. Thanks.